Students, in the beginning of this page, the author has described what is a first day cover. You can use this description for your answer. So, Charlie says that among his stamp collection, he found a first day cover which was posted at the address of his grandfather in 1894 Galesburg. Actually, Charlie has all the stamp collection of his grandfather with him. So, somebody must have posted this first day cover to his grandfather's address in 1894. So, it went into Charlie's collection. But Charlie was astonished that before that day he had never noticed that first day cover in his collection. Usually, the envelope first day cover has a blank sheet inside it because stamp collectors post it to themselves. So there is no point in writing any letter or putting any letter inside the envelope. So usually a blank page is kept inside the first day cover. But Charlie, when he found that first day cover he had never seen before in his stamp collection, he opened that cover and found that the page inside was not blank. Rather, there was a letter in it, and this letter was addressed to Charlie himself. So he was very astonished, and in 1894, when his grandfather was there, somebody posted this letter to his grandfather, but the letter was inside that envelope was addressed to Charlie himself. And in that letter it was said that third level exists, and the person who has written that letter, he claimed that he has found the third level, and he asked in this letter Charlie and Lucia, his wife, to keep looking for third level, because he said that the person who has written that letter, he said that third level does exist. He has found this level, and through that third level he has gone to 1894 Galesburg, and he said that the life was very pretty over there in Galesburg in 1894, and people were enjoying their evening with musical instruments like piano, and he describes his experience at Galesburg in 1894, very nice experience, and he was insisting Charlie and Lucia in this letter to keep looking for third level because it was worth it. Charlie found that the letter was signed by Sam, and when Charlie inquired, he come to know that his friend Sam got his $800 of modern currency exchanged for old currency, and he thought that as Charlie had gone with that money to third level, and through third level he had gone to Galesburg in 1894, that money was enough for him to start a new business of hay, feed and grain that he always wanted to do in the modern world. Another thing Charlie feels that otherwise also, if Sam had gone to the past in 1894, he cannot continue with his business that was his in the modern world. He thinks what was Sam's business in modern world, and he remembers that Sam was his psychiatrist friend. So this is the climax of the story, that throughout the story Charlie claims that there is third level, and from that third level he can go to past in 1894, and his wife, his other friends including this psychiatrist friend of his, used to say that it was Charlie's imagination and there was no third level, there was no going to past. But in the end, Charlie got letter from that same psychiatrist friend Sam that he himself has gone to third level, and from that third level of Grand Central Station he has gone to past in 1894, and now from this letter, with the help of this letter, he is asking Charlie also to come back to 1894 through third level of Grand Central Station, and he insists Charlie and Lucia to keep looking for third level.